You don't like that, eh? Yeah.
Too cold, Greenie? It's too cold, eh?
Oh, that's funny.
I don't want to leave him outside too long. Thanks, what's that?
Journey, you didn't like that, eh? Didn't like that, eh? No. Why do you wanna? What are you doing? Why do you wanna go back out now? Cat. Ernie. Oh, where are you going? Oh, where are you going? Okay.